I woke up the sounds of the silence that allows for my mind to run around with my ear to the ground. I'm not searching to behold the stories of the fold. When my back is to the world, what's mine when I turn? Tell you you are the greatest, but once you turn they hate us. Oh, the misery, everybody wants to be my enemy. Everybody wants to be my enemy. My enemy. But I'm ready. Your words up on the wall as you pray for my fall in the lights, in the halls, and the names that I've been called. I stack it in my mind, and I'm waiting for the time when I show you what it's like to be words spit in the mic. Tell you you are the greatest, but once you turn they hate us. Oh, the misery, everybody wants to be my enemy. Spare the sympathy, everybody wants to be my enemy. My enemy. Yeah. But I'm ready. Look, okay, I'm hoping that somebody pray for me. I'm praying that somebody hope for me. I'm staying where nobody supposed to be. Close to being a wreck of emotions, ready to go wherever you know the road is long. So for the pedaling in the floor, the enemy, I'm a trip of my energy unavailable. I'ma tell them I'm slow, I go down and apply my top to the top. I've been out of the top, I've been out of shape, taking out of box. I'm an instant, not a blessing, not a blessing off the planet, what could cause catastrophe. If it matters more because I had it, not had a thought about thinking how it got in opposition, kind of shit that they want to scatter with precision. I'm automatic, quarterback, I ain't dropping sacks, packing up, I don't panic. The better I put it better, it don't matter, just be at your throat. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Spare the sympathy, everybody wants to be my enemy. Oh, the misery, everybody wants to be my enemy. Spare the sympathy, everybody wants to be my enemy. Pray it away, I swear I'll never be insane, no way. My enemy, pray it away, I swear I'll never be insane. Yeah. Okay. I'm hoping that somebody pray for me. I'm praying that somebody hope for me. I'm staying where nobody supposed to be, but supposed to be in a wreck of emotions, ready to go whenever. Just let me know the road is long, so put the pedal into the flow. The enemy on my trail, my energy unavailable. I'ma tell them I still await, or they wanna plot on my track to the top. I've been out of shape, thinking out the box. I'm an astronaut. I blasted off the planet rock to cause catastrophe, and it matters more because I had it not. Had I thought about wreaking havoc on